The unit itself is light. It's not tight or heavy, surprisingly. Okay.
I'm a cancer survivor. I've lost a lot of my hair. Before the Weave Buddy, it was always a pull, and my head would be sore after the extensions were put in. It's devastating. Beautiful. It makes me feel like myself again. It is a great product. It really is. It's like your hair. It's like having your own hair. I just love the Weave Buddy.
I'm Kat Hiskey, owner and creator of the Weave Buddy. Our clients are losing their edges. I believe that it's for three main reasons. We are braiding tightly so that their hair doesn't come loose. We are sewing tightly so that their extensions don't come loose. And then after 2 to 3 months of our clients wearing their weaves, the weaves start pulling back, and the weight plus the pressure of the braids pulling back is also tearing our clients' edges. Now imagine this, an actual technology that can go underneath your weave when the hair extensions are being sewn in, can take on all of the pressure, the stress, all of the headaches, fill in the sides while it's here. It's called the Weave Buddy. The Weave Buddy takes on the pressure that would normally befall on your client's delicate edges. Come on, let's get started.